This is a video inspection of a Tsugami SS-20 with the Fanuc Series 31i Model A control. It comes with a Minuteman 320 SE bar feed. It's got a parts catcher, parts conveyor. Right now the part that it's set up to run is just a long turning part. And we may have hit the end of the cycle. Hopefully it does. It's running at 6,000 RPM. This machine does have the adjustable B-axis 2-position Lathe head. Going in to pick up. Parts catcher, and again it's got a conveyor. This machine also has a mist collector. It does not have a chip conveyor. I'm going to stop the video for a moment.
Right here.
So this is the front Lathe tools at 5,000. Now we're going to switch and do the other set on the front. Also at 5,000. Again, we're running them because they were not a part of the program that's running right now. And then the back for a live cross, hopefully. Thank you. This concludes our video inspection of the Tsugami SS-20 CNC Swiss lathe.